Evaluating expressions is the same as it was before in the previous example, though as your techniques and your skills advance, things will start to change a little bit. Let me demonstrate. Look at this guy right here. This is the expression. It is -8 times b minus b. All right. For the b, I'm actually going to replace it with a -8. So every time I see b, guess what? I'm going to stick a -8 in there. So I'm going to rewrite this, okay? And you have to be very careful because at this moment, what I'm about to do is the place where most students make the most mistakes. It's in this rewrite, in this replacement. So be very careful. Tell students usually to use their mouth, to talk, to say it as they do it. -8 times -8 minus -8 equals. That way it helps reiterate what they're seeing and what they're writing to try to at least give themselves more time to process. All right, here we go. Order of operation says I need to do the multiplication first. So -8 times -8. So -8 times -8 is a negative or positive 64. So I have a positive 64 and I'm still subtracting a -8. Well, do you remember the rules about subtracting a negative? Well, whenever you subtract a negative, that means like you're giving back money. You're giving back a positive. So truly, I'm looking at 64 give back 8. Now, if I have 64 give back 8, that would be 64 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm looking at 72. Now, take a look at something else. What if we come down here and look at this guy? You'll notice that this is the expression. Notice that the variable is being squared. Okay. The W is going to be worth a -8. So every time I see a W, I want to replace it with -8. All right, here we go. Be very careful. This is the place where most students make mistakes. -8 squared plus -8 minus 2. All right, are you ready? Order of operation says that the exponent first. -8 to the power of 2 means -8 times -8, which is a positive 64. Now, I am in the habit of rewriting. I really enjoy rewriting. It really helps me not make too many mistakes. Let's keep going. Okay, so I have a plus. I'm adding and I'm also subtracting. So adding and subtracting is left to right. So 64 plus a negative is going to bring me down 8 numbers. So that's going to drop me down to 56. So now I'm going to be at 56 take 2. 56 take 2 is going to drop me down to 54.